The 2025 Subaru Forester has earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, continuing Subaru's legacy of excellence in crash safety and avoidance. To qualify for the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award, vehicles must meet stringent criteria, including good ratings in updated crash tests, effective pedestrian crash prevention, and high-quality headlights across all trims. The Forester excelled in every category, reinforcing its position as a leader in safety. Jeff Walters, president of Subaru of America, says, "The 2025 Forester upholds our commitment to the highest safety standards. This recognition is a testament to Subaru's dedication to protecting our customers on the road." Standard on all trims, Subaru's award-winning EyeSight Driver Assist technology includes advanced adaptive cruise control with lane centering and steering responsive LED headlights. Available features like reverse automatic braking, blind spot detection, and rear cross-traffic alert enhance driver confidence and safety. With trim starting at $29,695, the 2025 Forester offers a refined, quieter interior and a sleek, stylish exterior. Subaru's legendary Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive comes standard, delivering superior capability and control for any journey. Celebrating 18 IIHS Top Safety Pick awards since 2007, the Subaru Forester continues to set the benchmark for small SUVs. Available now nationwide, the 2025 Forester is safety, style, and Subaru reliability in one exceptional package. Subscribe for the latest updates on Subaru innovations and award-winning vehicles.